first thing you need to do after you wash your hands is preheat the oven. And according to my cake mix, it says it needs to be at 350 degrees. I don't know if you can hear that squeaking sound, but that's my flag out front. For some reason, it creaks. One time it literally came out of the flagpole holder and landed on the ground. I don't know how that happened because it's in there really securely and it's heavy. So something weird was going on that day. I told you this house used to be haunted, right? I think somebody was messing with me because we have the Ring doorbell and I would have been able to see if somebody was actually out there and pulling the flag out. Nobody was out there, so mystery. Who knows? Maybe one of the ghosts was messing with me that day. Go figure. I'm gonna angle the camera down towards my bowl so you can see what I'm doing here. According to this recipe, you need 1 cup of water, 1/3 cup vegetable oil, and 3 eggs. You basically mix it all together and pop it in the oven. Simple. The next step is make sure that you either spray or coat your pan with some sort of butter or oil. In this case, I'm using coconut Pam. Now we just pour the cake batter into the pan. Once your cake batter is evenly distributed in your pan, it's time to pop it in the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes, or when your cake tester or toothpick comes out clean. Make sure your oven is preheated before you actually put the cake in there so you know that it starts at the correct temperature. Here's how it looks. So far, so good. I just removed my cake from the oven, so I'm going to test it with my little cake tester and make sure that it comes out clean. Perfect.